Hello everyone, Assalamu Alikum. Welcome to my channel Fashion and Gamer. So how are you all? I hope that all will be fit and fine. So back again with another fashion related video. I hope you people will like my video and share my video with your friends and family. So today I'm back again with another fashion related video. As you can see in this video, you can see many bodycon dresses ideas. Beautiful collection I carry for you. Glamorous and midi skirts and beautiful bodycon ideas, dresses ideas. You can get many ideas from this video. I hope that you people like my video and share my video with friends and family. You can get many ideas of bodycon dresses, long and short midi bodycon dresses ideas. So don't skip the video and watch till the end. And this collection is my favorite, and I also hope that this collection is your favorite too. And if you're visiting my channel for the first time, so please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to share my video with your friends and family. So keep watching my channel, keep in touch with my channel Fashion and Grammar. I carry for you new ideas about fashion on daily basis, so you can get many ideas on my channel. So you can visit my channel for the new and latest trendy updates. Beautiful collection of bodycon dresses. Hope you people like my video. So keep watching my channel, keep in touch with Fashion and Glamour. So meet you in the next video. Till the next video, bye bye.